Hey, I'm Tyler Wisler and I love a good margarita. Who doesn't love a good margarita? But what's even better? A spicy margarita. Have I got a recipe for you to try? Check this out. So we're gonna start off with 2 parts of really good tequila, because really good tequila is just really good tequila. So 2 parts go in. Maybe a little extra. We're gonna do 2 parts orange juice. 1, 2. Then to get that acidic margarita flavor in there, we're gonna use the juice of 1 big lime. I couldn't find big limes today, so I'm gonna actually do 2 smaller limes. Just get that in there. Don't you love a margarita? Oh, just hot day margaritas are the best. So we're gonna do the 2 small limes, all the juice. Whoa! It's a party up in here. And the last guy, and we are good. Now, just to sweeten that up just a touch, we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. There we go. Fun part. Ooh. This is gonna be good. That's smelling awesome. So, with the glass, we are going to rim the glass with my special salt mixture, and it's basically sea salt, chili powder, and a little bit of that lime zest. We ready? First, a little bit of ice, because we need margarita on the rocks. Now let's see what this bad boy looks like. Perfect. Top that with a little bit of jalapeno, because we like it spicy. Cheers. Give me a moment. This one's good, guys. Try it out. Let me know how you like it, and I hope that you are all designing your best life. I mean, you're like it's not as hot as everybody thinks it is.
Seriously?
It's good. It's
Okay.
Don't pretend to be strong.